Air export. As soon as a booking is received, our digital worker gets to work, analyzing instruction forms, pro forma invoices, packing lists, and certificates with remarkable precision. Thanks to Swivel AI OCR technology, every detail is captured accurately, and the meaning behind each document is understood just as a human would. The digital worker can proactively retrieve booking information from the email inbox, or users can upload documents directly to the platform. It then processes the data and prepares it for integration with any ERP system, all without requiring major changes to your existing IT infrastructure. Typically, it takes 5 to 10 minutes to manually input data into the ERP system. Now, that entire process is handled automatically by the digital worker. It also coordinates with the warehouse team to ensure everything is ready for cargo arrival. At the same time, a draft Airway Bill is automatically generated and sent to the customer for approval, again, with no human intervention required. All documents are neatly organized and passed to the compliance AI officer, ensuring full regulatory alignment. Throughout the process, shipment status updates are shared proactively, giving customers complete visibility from start to finish.